everybody. We're cooking at home still. And we got the Smith clan here. We got Rosie and we got Jack. And we're going to be cooking one of the favorite things. What's
Pancakes.
The pancakes. We're going to start with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And we're going to sift all these together, Jack. So there's 3 tablespoons of sugar. I've also got a ½ teaspoon of salt mixed into there just so we have fewer dishes. And then we got 1½ teaspoons of baking soda and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Jack's gonna get working, mixing all those together. And while he's doing that, we're gonna be over with Rosie. Rosie's favorite job in the kitchen, cracking eggs. We're gonna add, what's this? Do you remember what it's called?
Buttermilk.
So to that 3 cups of buttermilk and 3 eggs, we're also gonna add ½ cup of milk, just regular milk. We're also gonna add 1/3 of a cup of melted, cooled butter. I'm gonna help you out with that one. Ooh, you didn't even need my help. And your favorite, what's this one?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Oh yeah, I always gotta smell the vanilla, make sure it's good. All right, baby. Now Rosie, you're gonna pour that in, okay? We got that all nice and whisked up. Beautiful job. Can you pour that in there? Mm-hmm. Okay, so you're gonna lift. You can do it, okay, all by yourself. Big girl. Oh, good job. That's all done. Jack's gonna work that. You're gonna work that from the sides, Jackie, and being careful not to over mix. So every time that we are making anything with flour, we can develop the gluten by mixing it really hard. So if you mix it too hard, your pancakes will be very tough. All right, we got it all mixed up now, Jack. All nice together. And we gotta wait, unfortunately, you guys, we gotta wait 15 minutes. We're gonna let it rest off to the side. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna help, see how there's little bits, little bumps? That's gonna help work that out. You're gonna see. So we're gonna get frying these, okay? We've got our pans, we got 2 pans, and we got them preheated to about medium heat. So now we're gonna start frying. We've got our pans preheated. We left these here for a long, long time, right? So they're nice and preheated, and we're gonna use a little bit of melted butter just on the bottom, okay? Jack, do you wanna try and pour this in?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So what you're gonna use is use this, okay? Use that. So what we're waiting for here, Jackie, what are we waiting for when we're looking for how to flip these? What do we look for?
Bubbles.
Bubbles? And brown on one side, right? We're gonna flip it over.